the great alim and muhaddis Hazrat Sayyidina Abdullah bin Wahab alayhi rahmah, Hakim of Misr, ruler of Egypt, Ubad bin Muhammad, he wanted him to become Chief Justice, but he did not want that position, and for this reason he escaped and hid himself somewhere. A person called Sabahi, he was hasad, he had hasad and he was jealous of Sayyidina Abdullah bin Wahab alayhi rahmah, and he went to Hakim of that time, ruler, and he said, Abdullah bin Wahab, he himself told me once that he wanted this position of Chief Justice, but now intentionally he is disobeying, and for this reason he has hidden somewhere. The ruler, Hakim, he was enraged and he ordered to destroy the blessed house of Abdullah bin Wahab alayhi rahmah. Sayyidina Abdullah bin Wahab rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, when he came to know in jalal, in anger, he rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Rabbi Dhul Jalal, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, may Sabahi become blind. Hence, on the 8th day, Sabahi became blind. Hazrat Sayyidina Abdullah bin Wahab rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, he used to have fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would remain dominant upon Wahab bin Abdullah rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi. Once he heard the mention of the hereafter, the day of judgment, and he started having fear, Allahu Akbar, to the extent that he went unconscious, and after getting consciousness he just remained alive for a few days, and then he did not speak anything and departed this mortal world in 197 after Hijri. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower countless blessings upon him and forgive us for his sake. औलिया का जो कोई हो बेअदब, औलिया का जो कोई हो बेअदब, नाजिल उस पर होता है कहरो गज़ब. Yes, anyone who disrespects awliya Allah, friends of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, upon that person wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends. Pray in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq and ability to truly respect awliya Allah, friends of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and never ever have enmity and hatred against the friends of Allah. And may Allah give us true tawfiq and ability to show reverence and respect for them. And may Allah also save us from disrespecting and disobeying the friends of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And not only that, may Allah also protect us having company of those who are be'adab, who are disrespectful in any way, form or shape of friends of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallam.